India's agricultural economy represents a 75,000 crore addressable market, yet less than 3% of its operations are digitized. This massive volume is currently managed through a fragile web of disconnected tools. Millions of daily transactions rely entirely on physical paper ledgers, fragmented WhatsApp messages, and memory-based credit tracking. When supply chains run on paper and disjointed texts, ledger mismatches are inevitable. This operational friction results in a staggering 15 to 30% revenue leakage across the ecosystem. Generalized accounting software and standard CRMs fail to fix this problem because they are built for isolated businesses. They cannot handle interconnected, multi-party supply chains where every single transaction directly affects two different ledgers. Solving agricultural supply chain friction requires a completely new, unified digital infrastructure built specifically for the way these regional businesses actually interact. LeafTech Agro is a 56,000-line digital operating system engineered to digitize the entire farm-to-market flow. This diagram structures a fragmented landscape into an 11-role digital ecosystem, mapping every step from nurseries through farmers, sellers, distributors, and input stores. Each node operates independently, yet writes to one shared, synchronized financial ledger in real time. To understand exactly how this data architecture functions in practice, we need to tear down this ecosystem node by node. Mastering this specific, multi-layered data flow is the only way to convert the remaining 97% of the undigitized agricultural market into a trackable, profitable system. We begin at the base of the network graph. The farmer acts as the central hub and primary data generator of the entire assembly model. Expanding the graph outward introduces the first connected node, the nursery owner, whose plant production directly feeds the farmer's operations. The nursery module operates as a comprehensive seed-to-sale enterprise resource planning system, managing the entire production lifecycle rather than simply acting as a digital storefront. This interface displays the exact data pipeline of the nursery ERP. We can track the life cycle of a specific red cabbage lot, monitoring seed inventory, designated care schedules, active growth stages, and the pre-booking logic for incoming orders. This structured production data feeds directly into one of the platform's key features, map-based market discovery. This screen shows the geographic search interface. A farmer searching for a specific crop, like broccoli, can instantly view local nursery lot availability on the map and book the plants directly through the application. Map-based discovery fundamentally changes the market dynamic by replacing middleman opacity with direct, transparent, and data-driven procurement. Following the data flow outward from the farmer, we reach the trade layer, connecting to the primary seller, designated here as Seller A. Seller A's core workflow within the system involves purchasing crops directly from the farmer and instantly generating a digital purchase bill. To ensure rural adoption of this accounting process, the platform introduces a crucial user experience innovation, the chat-style ledger. LeafTech converts complex dual-entry accounting into a familiar messaging interface. Every generated bill and UPI payment appears as a simple text bubble. Synchronized in real time, this eliminates the most common source of B2B friction in agriculture, disputed ledgers and lost paper bills. By adapting a universally understood chat interface, LeafTech removes friction for software adoption in semi-urban environments, ensuring consistent usage in these non-technical sectors. The architecture then scales upward to manage higher volume trade logic, connecting Seller A to Seller D, the bulk distributor. Looking at the distributor interface, the exact same shared chat ledger mechanics are reused. The system seamlessly scales to handle larger, more complex B2B distributor transactions, automating total balance calculations and outstanding due tracking. The system also expands laterally to capture the input side of the market, integrating the local fertilizer and pesticide store. These input stores utilize the exact same billing mechanics as the produce sellers, applying the ledger logic to hardware inventory and the tracking of farmer credit. This lateral scaling even captures ancillary nodes, bringing in dairy milk collectors to track daily production yields and automatically settle payments. Building one highly robust, adaptable ledger core allows LeafTech to service multiple distinct vertical supply chains with near-zero additional friction. Beyond data entry, the platform acts as an organizational execution rudder. Business owners, whether running large nurseries or distribution hubs, cannot process every single transaction manually. The system introduces specific staff roles with strict, limited access parameters. Owners can grant an employee the ability to generate bills or update delivery statuses, while entirely restricting their access to ledger deletion or total revenue metrics. To support this execution layer, the platform deploys a communication automation engine designed to replace manual follow-ups and repetitive phone calls. Using an automated WhatsApp integration, any activity on the ledger instantly triggers formatted bill notifications and payment reminders directly to the client's phone. This specific automation delivers a highly tangible business impact. It accelerates the recovery of outstanding dues by 30 to 50%. Granular permission sets and automated communication protocols are precisely what transition a basic tracking app into mandatory enterprise infrastructure. This 56,000-line architectural design directly translates into a highly scalable revenue model. LeafTech deploys a multi-tiered subscription strategy that targets and monetizes specific operational problems across the vertical supply chains. At the top tier, nursery owners subscribe at roughly 3,500 to 5,000 rupees monthly. This cost is justified by the immense value of gaining full ERP lifecycle management, seed tracking, and staff assignment tools. In the mid-tier, sellers and distributors pay between 1,000 and 1,500 rupees a month. Their subscription is justified by the ledger automation and the massive reduction in capital loss to financial disputes. Software as a service pricing in traditional industries only succeeds when the monthly cost of the software directly correlates to verifiable hours saved and missing capital recovered. This diagram maps out the ultimate compounding advantage of a unified architecture, the creation of absolute transactional ground truth. Data aggregates seamlessly from all 11 disparate nodes, feeding directly into centralized, real-time analytics engines. This analytics dashboard provides business owners with clear, actionable insights. They can track precise production trends, analyze outstanding due ratios over time, and generate accurate revenue forecasts based on historical data. With a clean, standardized data set established, the platform can deploy a robust AI roadmap. This enables advanced features like demand prediction, market price forecasting, and assigning credit risk scores based on verifiable ledger history. LeafTech Agro represents the inevitable evolution of agtech, abandoning isolated farm apps to become the definitive, data-driven operating system of the agricultural supply chain.